Welcome to the World of Wonders for Kids. Hi, kids! Today, we're going to learn all about the alphabet. Get ready to discover amazing letters, fun words, and exciting surprises. And guess what? At the end, we'll have a super fun song and a cool game just for you. So stay tuned and let's get started. First on the list is the letter A. Some examples of words that start with A are apple, ant, and ambulance. Next, we have the letter B. Some examples of words that start with B are box, bag, and bus. Following that is the letter C. Some examples of words that start with C are cat, cow, and corn. Then comes the letter D. Some examples of words that start with D are dog, dolphin, and duck. After that, it's the letter E. Some examples of words that start with E are egg, eagle, and elephant. Up next is the letter F. Some examples of words that start with F are frog, fish, and flower. Moving on, we have the letter G. Some examples of words that start with G are goat, grapes, and giraffe. Then there's the letter H. Some examples of words that start with H are hat, heart, and horse. Next up is the letter I. Some examples of words that start with I are island, ice, and infant. Following that is the letter J. Some examples of words that start with J are jar, jet, and jacket. Then we have the letter K. Some examples of words that start with K are kite, koala, and kangaroo. Up next is the letter L. Some examples of words that start with L are lion, lizard, and ladder. After that comes the letter M. Some examples of words that start with M are monkey, milk, and mango. Then there's the letter N. Some examples of words that start with N are nest, nose, and net. Moving on, we have the letter O. Some examples of words that start with O are orange, ostrich, and octopus. Next up is the letter P. Some examples of words that start with P are peacock, penguin, and pencil. Following that is the letter Q. Some examples of words that start with Q are queen, quail, and quiver. Then we have the letter R. Some examples of words that start with R are rainbow, rabbit, and ruler. After that comes the letter S. Some examples of words that start with S are snake, sun, and 7. Up next is the letter T. Some examples of words that start with T are 10, turtle, and tiger. Then we have the letter U. Some examples of words that start with U are umbrella, undershirt, and unlock. Moving on, it's the letter V. Some examples of words that start with V are van, violin, and vase. Next is the letter W. Some examples of words that start with W are wand, wallet, and watermelon. Following that is the letter X. Some examples of words that start with X are xylophone, X-ray, and Xerox. Then we have the letter Y. Some examples of words that start with Y are yo-yo, yacht, and yarn. Finally, we end with the letter Z. Some examples of words that start with Z are zebra, zipper, and zoo. All right, kids, it's time for some musical fun. Let's sing the ABC song together. Get ready to clap your hands, tap your feet, and sing along with me. Here we go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
All right, kids, it's time for our fun game. Get ready to use what you've learned about the alphabet and show off your skills. Are you ready? Let's play. Do you know what letter comes after C? Yes, it's D. D comes after C. Great job! For my next question, what letter comes after L? That's right, it's M. M comes after L. You're doing great. For my final question, what letter comes after S? Yes, it's the letter T. You did great. Great job, kids! You did amazing singing and learning the ABCs today. Knowing your letters is the first step to reading and writing. Keep practicing, and you'll get better every day. And always have fun while you learn. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support means so much to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next learning adventure. Bye for now.